This is hot water, so it will not take long. Walnuts, though, they are already hidden inside this thing, so it's good, guys. So I have my dates here. I've removed all the seeds. They support brain health for the kids, for the elderly, for the everyone, for people all ages. Okay, guys, I've been timing for this not to pour down, but already, look, it has already messed up my make today amazing. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, welcome to the dates.Enjoy channel. Yes, I want to cook some porridge. Yes, walnut porridge. I want to show you how to prepare walnut porridge. I'm putting some water. This is hot water, so it will not take long. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Walnut porridge. So I've put some water, and then I want to show you how I do it. This water, I'm going to put a little bit some here in the this flame. I don't know why it's doing this, because it's destroying my pan. I just cleaned them, so let me show you how I do it. Okay, this is where I keep my walnuts, though they are already done. I take them and wash them in there. I take more. You can take them and put them on something. You can wash them on something, because they are finished, so I can use all of them because they're already done. They're here. I clean them because, you know, walnuts, these walnuts here, you can see how they are. You easily find you will easily find some parasites inside these things, hidden inside these things. So it's good to clean them before you eat, before you use them, because of the parasites, you know them. Not just that, but some of these things, where they are stored and how they are stored, you never know. Some of them, cockroaches walk on them, rats walk and urinate on them. So guys, it's good to clean them. It's good to clean them, all grains, before you use them. No matter if they are ready to eat, clean them. So I do this, and then I also use some dates. I use also dates. Here I have dates. You see the dates. I will be removing. Yeah, we also have dates. I'm going to use also dates. Not for sale, this one. Actually, they are free. You are given free, but you can buy them also, so you can use dates. So I want to use the dates. So you know, dates have got some what, these seeds inside, you can see. So these seeds are very hard for the blender, so I have to remove them so that I can blend. So I put them in here. So let me prepare and then I will show you, because I cannot hold at the same time show you what I'm doing. Okay guys, so I have my dates here. I've removed all the seeds. You can see the dates, premium dates. And you can see the seeds are here. So, and my water is already boiled, so I will blend I will blend this. Yes, so I will blend this. Let me change this because I don't have extension here. So yeah, so let me blend this. I don't know. You can see this flame here. This flame is really messing my pots. You can see this one, it's already messed up. Look at this. Look at this. Because of this flame here, I don't know what's happening. So I've blended my blender. I think it has a problem. It has really made a lot of noise. That never happens like that, so I don't know what's the problem. So blended it, and I'm going to see. I'm going to sieve it because I don't. After blending it, this is how I do it. I don't just blend and put everything here. No, no. I blend. I sieve. See. So these are walnuts and some dates. Walnuts and dates. I'm sieving because I need my porridge to be smooth. I want the porridge to be smooth. I want the porridge to be smooth. That's why I'm sieving it. You can see. See. So this one I throw. Okay, my porridge flask here. This flour, put it. This flour is from Uganda. This flour is from Uganda. So this is the flour. Put in here. Three. Then check my. This one will not do it well. So use this. Yeah, this one will mix very well. All right, so you can see this is a mixture of this flour. This is wheat flour, not wheat. What do we call it? Millet. Sorghum. You know, we have millet and we have sorghum. So I don't know which is which. Millet, sorghum, sorghum. I think this is millet. So this is millet flour, and they call it here ragi. So millet flour, plain. And then I've added some walnuts and dates, yes, for some tastes. Dates for taste. And you know, dates have a lot of, they have walnuts and dates, they have a lot of nutrients, you know. All right, guys, yes, so this mixture is very nutritious, as you know. And walnuts, yes, walnuts are very nutritious as you know. Yes, they support brain health, yes, they support heart health, they are good for guts, yes, it's good for the guts. And it helps many memory, yes, it helps in memory. So this porridge is good for kids, and it's good for those people who want to improve their memory, and for the elderly, yes, elderly people, you know. And also it promotes that, it promotes it reduces stress, yes, many things, mental health, yes. So, and also for the dates are also good. Dates are also good. So dates have nutritional values also, same, almost same like the walnuts, yes, because they also have good, they boost brain health, and they antioxidants, remove bad substance in your body, yes, and also support healthy bowel movements. Those are dates, yes. And also it's good for those people who wants to increase the hemoglobin. Do we call it like that? Maybe, yes, those people who are anemic, let me say that, yeah, that one is easy. So those people who are anemic, the dates are good for those people who are anemic, you know. Because I don't have someone to hold for me, that's how I will do it. So for those who have anemia, they can use dates to improve their blood volume. So this porridge is very, very highly nutritious. So you can give this to anybody. Anyone can drink this, yes. Anyone can take this, let me say that, because it's good for everybody, for the kids, for the elderly, for the everyone, for people all ages, not just kids and elderly, no, for everyone. It's good for everyone. Yeah, just like this, and we are done. So we will wait for it to cook, and then we will serve it hot. Yeah, we already done. That's our porridge, nutritious porridge. So this porridge easily pours down, so you have to stay just there for it to boil, and you can make it thick as you like it, or just the way we love it, very, very light. This is very okay. So you can add your lemon after you're done with this. Okay guys, I've been timing for this not to pour down, but already, look, it has already messed up my cooker. So this is ready. This is ready. Keep quiet. This is ready. I want to. So I've removed some for my baby. Then I'll put some lemon. If you put lemon, you don't let it heat, because you don't need to heat that lemon for it to give you the best immune boost. Vitamin C. Alright, so yeah. Yay! So we have this. Make today amazing. Make today amazing. So our porridge is ready to take. Ready to take hot if you like hot. Like for me, I will wait for it to a bit so that I can take, because it's too hot, my friend. Alright guys, thank you from my simple Doha kitchen. See you in my next video. Bye bye.